In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share only one tab in Google Sheets. Sometimes you need to give someone access to just a single worksheet without exposing the rest of your data. The simplest, safest way to do that is to copy the specific tab into its own brand, new spreadsheet, and then share that new file. That way, you control exactly what they see, and the original file stays private. Start by opening the Google Sheet that contains the tab you want to share. Make sure you are on the correct file and that the tab you plan to share has everything you want included. At the bottom of the screen, find the tab name, hover over that tab and click the small drop-down arrow that appears to the right of the tab title. This menu is where Google Sheets keeps options for managing individual tabs, and it's exactly what we need here. From the menu, choose Copy to. Then select New Spreadsheet. This command tells Google Sheets to take just this one tab, its data, formatting, and most features, and place it in a fresh, standalone file. It won't bring along the rest of the tabs, which is perfect for sharing only what's necessary. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation pop up. Click Open Spreadsheet. This opens the newly created file in a separate tab in your browser. You are now looking at a completely independent Google Sheet that contains only the tab you copied. Changes made here will not affect the original, and changes in the original won't flow into this new file. Before sharing, quickly review the new sheet. If the original tab had formulas pointing to other tabs or files, those references may no longer work because those sources aren't included. Charts, filters, and data validations generally copy over. But anything that depended on other tabs may need attention. This check helps ensure the recipient sees exactly what you intend. When you are ready, click the Share button in the top right of the new spreadsheet. Add the people who need access and choose the appropriate permission level, such as viewer or editor. This new file is fully independent, so sharing it won't grant access to your original spreadsheet or its other tabs. That's it. You opened your sheet, copied the specific tab to a new spreadsheet, opened it, and shared that new file as needed, clean, simple, and secure. Thanks for watching.